Welcome to my project ideas. This is an ongoing series on SAP UI5 and SAP Conversational AI. In the previous video, we have already created a basic chatbot using SAP Conversational AI, and the link of the video is in the description. Also, using this documentation, we were able to create train our model. So it was a very basic chatbot. So now in this particular video, we'll move to the next phase. So this was the end product where I was able to create a chatbot like this. I was able to upload my questionnaire, the same questions I can ask to a chatbot, and it will come with my own answers, whatever I was like having in my Excel sheet. So while doing the creation part, we got this particular link where we were able to see this particular project, right? So we can also integrate this project with our own web ID. So let me just open up the web ID here and using SAP UI5, you can use simple iFrame structure because even in this script, they have provided the same thing. So there are two ways via which you can embed a particular chatbot. The one is using iFrame that we will be showing this particular video, and the other way is like using API calls that we will discuss in the later videos. So let's come back to the web ID. It certainly takes some time to load. So we have our web ID opened up. So we have created a very basic application here. It is a simple SAP UI5 application with a single view and single controller. In the controller, we have no code written. Nothing is here. In the view, we have here in namespace added as HTML, and we are using the iframe element, and we have made the height and width something like this. And the source will be something that we can get from the chatbot that we have created. This link, standalone link, can be used here. We'll just paste it up and we can just click on test and click on run. So in this way, using iFrame, we can simply integrate whatever chatbot we have created and it will behave in the same manner. So let it open up. It will take some moments to run the UI5 application. And I believe it is open now. Great. So you can even create a single like button here, and on click of that, you can open up a dialog box. And inside the dialog box, you can put this particular iframe. In this way, it will look like you have created a chatbot, inside SAP UI5. So without wasting a lot of time, without wasting a lot of time on integrations using API, you can just use this type of integration. So you see, whatever question were written here, it reflects over here also. Great. So I have some more questions like where I can learn for free the SAP part, right? So I will just copy and paste the question, or I will just where can I learn SAP? So the question that I have mentioned in the Excel sheet is like where to learn SAP for free, and the answer is gocoding.org. We will see if it is able to answer the same thing because the question is something very similar. It is retrieving the answer. The same thing. See, if you see whatever question we are asking here, it is also like reflecting here, right? Where can I learn SAP? And it gave gocoding.org. Somehow it is coming late here, but yeah, same thing you can see here because we have integrated this particular API directly into this particular chatbot. That's why the same chatbot is reflecting at both sides. So I believe you understand the concept. So the concept is very simple. You go and create a SAP chatbot, and you while doing that you generate an API. It is simply a URL, it's like a web client standalone link, and the same link you can use in your web ID or your business application studio as a iframe integration. So I hope you understand the concept. In the next video, we'll learn the API way of integrating chatbot in SAP UI5. Thank you.